Alrighty, what are we doing today?
I was thinking today we could go through our documentation management feature we want to build. So
Mhm.
we've got this feature in Developer where you can use AI to automatically generate all of your documentation and tutorials. But currently our customers don't have any way to put that into their application, and they're asking for it. One of the things they're asking for in particular is a way to have AI answer questions about their application. So their client can have a question about the software, put it in, and get an answer back straight away. So I think
Mhm.
that would be a really cool thing to show people how to do in Developer.
Okay. Well, to do that, let's first create a work order.
Cool.
All right. Let's call it documentation MVP.
Perfect.
And then what do you want to do for the description?
I think the description can just be the features we want in it. So it'll be the ability for their clients to see the documentation. So viewing documents, managing documents, and AI questions and answers is the big three things we want to cover.
Alrighty, let's lay out all of our features first. So the first feature that we wanted to do was the help chat that will integrate into our client's software, right?
Yeah, that's pretty much the main feature. So that's the AI questions and answers.
Yep. So I'm just going to call that help chat, and then we do AI questions and answers.
And that'll integrate with the client software. I think we should put that in the description as well, just so it's super clear.
Cool.
And then the next feature we'll need is like a way for the client's user to view the documents. So the actual tutorials. So allowing the client's users to view and navigate through the software's documentation is a really good description for that. Awesome. Then the next feature is pretty straightforward. We're going to need some way for our clients to manage their documents, so to see what tutorials they've got put in.
Yep. So documentation management.
Yeah, and one of the things I want with that is for it to be able to support multiple translations. So we want it to be localized, so you can have like Spanish and Hungarian and Chinese for all of your documentation. So the description would be where the clients view and manage the documentation of their software. And then I would just put at the end, like including multiple languages, so it's super clear. And then the other thing that I want is, so from the technical design perspective, I want to cache these questions because I kind of know that in order to have these answers be really like valuable and correct, we're going to need to use a higher end model, which is going to be more expensive. So I want to have some way for us to cache these answers. So instead of generating a new answer every time someone asks the same question, we can reuse that answer and we can reuse it across all the different languages as well. So in order to enable that and to make it transparent, I think we need a help questions list, which would be a list of all the questions that clients have asked about the software. So where clients can see all the questions their users have asked and the answers that have been generated. And they'll have the ability to edit the answers in there. So allowing them to edit the answers is probably a good thing to tack on the end of the description.
Okay.
And I think that's pretty much, that's everything that we need for the MVP. We've got a way to view and edit and then also get analytics data as well.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's move on to the spec tool.